Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY beauty with a product that's essential for any lip gloss enthusiast out there. I'm talking about the Now Food Solutions Sweet Almond Oil. If you're into making your own lip gloss and skincare products, this oil could be your new best friend. Let's explore why. First things first, what makes this almond oil stand out? Well, it's 100% pure and unscented, perfect for those who prefer their lip glosses fragrance-free. It comes in a handy 4-ounce bottle, which is a great size for experimenting with different recipes without committing to a huge quantity. Now, why is almond oil particularly great for lip gloss? Almond oil is known for its moisturizing properties, making it an excellent base for lip products. It's lightweight, absorbs well, and won't leave your lips feeling greasy. Plus, it helps to nourish and condition your lips, keeping them soft and smooth. Beyond lip gloss, this oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it in various DIY skincare formulations, from facial serums to body moisturizers. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, so whether you have sensitive skin or are prone to dryness, almond oil is generally well tolerated. Using almond oil in your lip gloss is easy. Simply mix it with your favorite pigments or micas for color. Add a touch of sweetener if you like, and blend well. The result? A custom lip gloss that's hydrating and gives your lips a beautiful sheen. You might be wondering, why choose Now Food Solutions over other brands? Well, Now Foods is known for its commitment to quality. Their products are made with natural ingredients and undergo rigorous testing to ensure purity and effectiveness. When you buy from Now Foods, you can feel confident that you're getting a high-quality product. Wrapping up, the Now Food Solutions Sweet Almond Oil is a must-have if you're into DIY beauty. Whether you're making lip glosses, moisturizers, or even hair treatments, this oil delivers on quality and versatility. Plus, the unscented formula means you can customize your creations without interference from added fragrances. Have you tried using almond oil in your beauty routine? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and beauty tips. Until next time, stay creative and keep shining.